In this assignment, we will create an album cover using text, a photograph created with Adobe Firefly, a hue and saturation adjustment layer, and an image of wrinkled paper texture. In this lesson, we'll open up the sketch inside of Photoshop and talk about how important sketching is before starting on a final piece of artwork. Download the Album Assets folder and open the folder. We're going to bring the album sketch.png into Photoshop. You can drag the PNG onto the Photoshop app in the dock and release to open the image inside of Photoshop. This is the sketch I drew, and this is a layout of where everything is going to be put. It's always good to draw a sketch for your client before you spend a lot of time creating a piece of artwork. And you can draw a bunch of different sketches, and then the artist can choose which sketch they like, and that's the direction you can go in. Double-click on the word background in the layer and write sketch and press return. This lesson will continue in the next video.